Welcome back guys, Amar here, and today we are looking forward to our last video for our paint heat project, where we will look over some details like sound effect, particle system and such thing as that. Now while we are talking at our particle system, we will have this complete effect. Now I will give it to you. You will see somewhere around left where you can download it. Like you'll see resource available if you're new to me. Now we'll just take our complete effect and put it inside. Now if you're interested in about how was this made, you can just go here and check out the details and so on and so forth. I really did not want to talk much about particle system because it's everything about testing, see if it's working. I think Unity has 1 hour long video just talking about particle system. It's kind of big of a theme, so I didn't want you to be bothered with that because you already have the resource to search for it. Next off will be our circle effect. We will go to sprites, search for the ring. Can I find the ring? Okay, I'm just gonna search here ring sprite. Here we go, and I'm gonna put it inside. Now this is our ring, and we're gonna change its transform. It's going to be 23 on the z-axis. Then we're gonna say negative 1.5 for the y. Rotation on the z will be 90. As for the scale, it will be 22 by 22. Now, as for our circle, we're gonna create an animation for it. So go ahead, click animation or create. Go to animation tab and create expand the ring. That is how we're gonna call it, our animation. From then, what's gonna happen with our animation? Well, basically, it will scale up to 80 slowly, and it will slowly disappear like this. So that effect we are searching for. So let's go back to normal. Click here, let's say about maybe 20 frames. Click here, record, and we're gonna record first scale like this. We're gonna add that and like this. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, we are going there. It's kind of too fast, so to slow it down, I'm just gonna keep it, let's say, to maybe 35. And yeah, that seems better, a lot better. Now we're gonna go ahead and add another key. So make sure you click here, record one more time. And we're gonna remove A or transparency onto our circle like this. So now when we start, it will slowly disappear while it's expanding. Now before we continue with our ring, or let's say call this circle effect, we're gonna go to animator, double click on this pen, double click on to the expand the ring and remove loop time. In case you're not satisfied with the speed, you can always change it down, slow it down, or maybe you want to be more faster, you want animation to go like bam. You can always do that here. I'm gonna leave it at 1 because I'm pretty satisfied with this speed. And I'm gonna put that to be as off, game object off or false. Next off is our code. So we will have these in our code. Circle effect will be spawned every time we spawn a new circle, and complete effect will be only there when we finish our whole level. So let's go back to ball handler, open that up, and we're gonna start things off by adding our public game object, circle effect, but just lower C, come on, lower C, not 0, but lower C. And we're gonna say public game object, and we're searching for complete effect. Just like that. As for our circle, we're gonna create enumerator. So let me go down here. Let's create enumerator. Circle effect. That's how I'm gonna call it. Just capital C. Where we're gonna say yield. First we're gonna wait, yield return new wait, so new wait 4 seconds. Wait 4 seconds, not end of the frame. And we're gonna wait for 0.4 of a second. Then we're gonna say circle effect dot set active to be true. And then we're gonna wait for some more, let's say about 0.8 of a second. And then we're gonna say circle effect dot set active to be false. And pretty much that will be everything for our circle effect. Just we have to add it when we make a new circle. So go ahead, go to new circle, go here and call our start coroutine. So start coroutine, and we are starting our circle effect. And we're gonna create our complete effect in our level complete. So once we have completed our level, we're gonna say if our game object, so if game object dot find, and we are searching for the circle 0. If that is true, then we're gonna say complete, so complete effect dot transform dot position equals to game object dot find circle. So we're searching for the circle 0. Let me just fix this. 0 in the quotes, not outside of the quotes. Find circle 0 dot transform dot position. Then if this is not true, so if we don't have our circle 0, we will have our circle 1. So let me go ahead and add circle 1 to it. This is in case we don't have circle 0. And pretty much that will be it. Now let's go ahead and test it out. But it will take a bit long time to take it, so I'm gonna just change it here. So first time will be for here, and C level will go back to integer 1. So let me go back and test it right now. We should have less circles, like 2 to 3, so it will be easier to test things out than to clear the whole level at our level 10. Start our game. Come on, Unity, you can do it. Okay, level 1, target 2, 1, 2, and our circle falls, and we haven't seen our circle effect. Okay, that's because we haven't even called it. Put it here. So add our complete effect here and our circle effect. Like throughout the whole project, I've always forgot to do this. So I always forgot this. I'm just hoping that you guys don't forgot this in your projects. So yeah, that can be a bit troublesome. So yeah, we beat it. We have our circle effect, and when we finish our game, we should see here complete effect, which we haven't seen. So complete effect. Come on, if it goes. What? Okay, yeah, it has an animation. It has a particle system. Let me go back one more time. And yeah, I have forgot. I think I know what's the problem. Where is ball handler? Come on, where is it? Here, I just put it where it needs to be, but I have forgot to say complete effect dot set active to be true. And then when we finish our scene, so where is the end of it? So after 1 second, yeah, here we're gonna say complete effect dot set active to be false. Simple as that. So again, I keep forgetting stuff. Maybe I'm in love or stuff like that. I don't know. Just kidding. Let's try this one more time. Hopefully it will work and we will have no problem, so we can continue with our sound. So yeah, our circle effect runs pretty smoothly like this, and yeah, we have this effect at the end, but it is kinda where it shouldn't have been. So let me try that one more time. Circle 2. Okay, as you can see here, we have started with our circle 2, so it needs to be at the circle 2, not circle 1. So right now we may have a problem. Let me see. And yeah, as you can see, we have a problem because there were no circle 0 or 1. So that could cause us some problems. So we're going to say else circle 1, or else copy this, just paste it one more time. Else if we game object dot find circle, so circle 1, we're going to put it circle 1. Else if we haven't got none of that, we're just going to put it at our circle 2. So yeah, that will be it. Hopefully, not hopefully, but we are done with that. Next off will be our sounds. So here we'll have some sounds. Let me go to assets. Come on. Assets. Well, okay, where is our sounds? Okay, audio clip, and we have our game complete. Game fail. And our hit. When we hit our circle. So first we're going to start with game complete and game fail. So go back to our ball handler and add 2 more variables. First we're going to add our public audio source. So public audio source complete, so complete sound like this. Then public audio source game fail sound, just like that. Then we're gonna go back to our make a new circle, where we will check if we finished or not. Where is our make a new circle? Can I even find it? Okay, I'm gonna go make a new circle. There. You can see here we have put down a comment for our sound, and we'll say here complete a sound dot play, just like this. Then we're gonna go back to our failed game, so failed game. And if you're wondering how am I doing this, just press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, and then you'll be able to search. And here we're gonna say game fail sound dot play, and pretty much that will be it for it. Now, next off will be our color changer, where we're gonna have our hit sound, and that is when we hit anything. So first we're gonna do that in our else. So when we hit, am I correct? Yep. There we're gonna add one, but should we add it? Let's add it here right above, where we're gonna check, not we're gonna check, but we're gonna say game object dot find, and we are searching for the hit sound like this, dot get component, getting audio source, so audio source, and then we're gonna say dot play, just like this. Now how we're gonna add those sounds to our game? Well, basically we're gonna create a game object which we're gonna call sounds or sound effects, however you would like. Come on. So let's add like sound fx. Here I'm gonna reset first, and then I'm gonna add another game object which I'm gonna call hit sound, and I'm gonna add audio source. Where am I gonna put our hit? I'm gonna copy this, call this fail sound, and change the audio clip for it. So fail, and then last but not least, we will have our complete sound like this. Complete sound, and here I'm gonna put complete. As for the hit sound, it is already done inside of our script, but as for our fail and complete sound, we have to put it inside of our ball handler. So game fail and game complete. Now when we hit our circle, we should hear something. Let me just scale this a bit more. So let's go ahead and try to do that. Yep. And when we finish, actually failed first, but one thing I forgot to do is to remove play on awake. That's why we heard them as soon as our game started, so remove that. So that is the sound when we fail. let's hear the sound when we complete, because that sound is a bit more satisfying. And come on, let's do it. And voila, we have completed our circle, our level, whatever you want to call it. So yeah guys, that will be it for this video. I'm Amar from Educoding, and I hope to see you in the next video or lesson, section, however you want to call it.